Good morning, everybody. So this week we are focusing on a special vowel team called OI. All right. So it can be spelled two different ways, OI and OY. Both of them are pronounced OI. Right. So OI is like oil, OY is like toy. So they're pronounced the same. Let's talk about OI first. Most of the time you will find OI in the beginning or middle of a word or syllable. So if you're hearing a word and you hear oi, and it's kind of toward the beginning of a word or a syllable, spell it with OI, okay? So we've got words like oil, foil, spoil, poison, disappoint. Now I know looking at disappoint, you might think, well, wait a minute, this oi is at the end of the word. True. However, if I were looking at syllables, okay, that is one syllable right there, point. And OI is in the middle of that syllable. So when you have a multisyllabic word, what you have to do is chop it into the syllables to figure out if you're in the middle or end of the word, okay? If I have OY, it's usually at the end of a word or a syllable. So you can see boy, toy, destroy, cowboy. Those ones are pretty obvious because it's at the end. You hear oi. And we don't have very many words in English that end with an I. So it's pretty apparent that this would need to be a Y, okay? Those ones are kind of easier. We get to words like oyster. And again, you're like, wait a minute. That's the first part of the word in oyster. And you're right. However, if again, I break it into the syllables, oi, stir. The oi is at the end of the syllable. Now, granted, it is the whole syllable, so it can get a little tricky there. But we think of it as oi as the end. Here, same thing. Loy, ol. And that's the end of that syllable. Okay? So when you hear a word and you're not sure how to spell it, think about where is the oi sound. Okay? And that'll help you figure out if it's OI or OY. All right. So when you're doing your spelling test later this week, think about where you hear the OI sound. All right. Have a great week, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye.